Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life of My Wife. Guess what? I'm gonna do a cooking with Kelly. Yep. Just been sitting here thinking what I was gonna have for supper, so I'm gonna make my mom's meatballs with, and then I think we'll do mashed potatoes and a coleslaw or something like that. Anyway, I'll point you down and show you what I got. So in here I've got peppers, red peppers, celery, sun-dried tomatoes, onions, and I just ground it all up. And then I've got, I don't know, probably 1.5 pounds, closer to 2 pounds of ground beef. Like that. And I'm gonna put some garlic. There we go. And I just used these sun-dried tomatoes. And then breadcrumbs. Now, oh, it's been quite a while. These breadcrumbs, we just went through our pantry, and any crackers or cereal or anything that was, that we were, you know, they're starting to get old and stuff, we just ground them all up and threw them in the freezer. Haven't bought breadcrumbs in, ooh, long time. I don't know. I got 3 handfuls. We'll see if that's good. And then I'm just, oops, I think I might be a little bit frozen still. Oops, oops, oops. I'm just using the fork here to... Couple pieces a little bit frozen still, not too bad. All right, I gotta get my hands goopy and get in here and give some good massaging. My mom, I think she used to just put like onion and celery and some spices. So I kind of spruced it up a little bit to my liking. But Kevin and I love sun-dried tomatoes in pasta and stuff, and keep forgetting to use them. So I thought, I'm sure that they will give this a nice flavor. Ooh, my hands just about froze. Cold, cold, cold. Cold, 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 cold. All right. Got my frying pan here, and I just like, I don't know, just little. I don't like them too big. Just kind of I don't know, did you ever crave a meal from when you were a kid? Every now and then, just gotta make it. This recipe and my mom's hamburger gravy, I crave that every now and then. And then my biggest one I crave is my mom's baked spaghetti, which I've made on here many times. My mom's baked spaghetti, it's she used to just do celery and onions and seasoning, and then she boiled her spaghetti and put it in a casserole dish with her ground beef, and then topped it with tomato juice and then cheddar cheese on top. And I've boosted it a little bit with putting peppers in it and different things like that. And I will often make the baked spaghetti a night after we've had tacos and use the taco meat instead of just regular cooked ground beef. So I think about I don't doctor up my mom's hamburger gravy because it's just good with onions and I love this. Yum, yum, yum. All right, I'm gonna go and finish rolling up these meatballs, and we'll bring you back. All right, I got them all into small little meatballs, and I'm just gonna put some olive oil and just slowly fry them up. There we go. All right, so now I've got some leftover pasta sauce here, so I'll put that in. I have another can. You can just use tomato sauce. You don't have to use the pasta sauce, but this is what we have, so. Just simmers away. We'll meet you back up when it's done. Alright, so here's the mini meatballs, salad, and just boiled potatoes. I did something different with the meatballs today. Do they taste a bit different?
Yeah?
I put sun-dried tomatoes in them.
Cool.
And they give it a nice flavor.
Yeah.
All right. So yummy dinner. I suppose it's yummy just because you didn't have to cook it.
You betcha.
Right. Well, thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Doesn't happen very often. He likes to cook. Anyways, we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.